In this video, I'll be doing a very simple top-down analysis on the US30. So currently, I'm on the daily time frame and I'll be using my simple smart money concept trading strategy just to analyze this pair and show you what this pair is going to be doing next week. So with the concept of liquidity as well, we're going to be adding that here as well. So if you don't understand liquidity yet, kindly go and watch our previous videos. So if we look at this chart, you can see that the XY has been bullish. The XY has been forming higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs, then made more like invalidated this low, then gave us a higher low, then a higher high, a higher low. Then a lot of people are looking to buy from this region to form that higher low, but price still went all the way down, giving us more structures to the downside before pushing to the upside. So right here, what is happening is very simple. I'm just looking at a very simple market structure way of trading or liquidity. Okay, so if you understand liquidity concept, you know that you will understand what price has been doing here. Okay, first off, price formed this higher high, then still came to take liquidity from this low. It took a lot of people out of this market, but a lot of traders are already buying because the trend is just too bullish and price just want to sweep some people out of the market, then continue its trend. That is just exactly what happened. So after this break of structure, this is when, if I don't know that if you watch my videos, you will see this analysis. You will see this analysis. I made an analysis like this before to the group. I sent it to the group as well. It's just simple. It broke structure, then it just validated this low for me. So all I just wanted to see is maybe if price can just pull back to this point of interest, which you can actually see here. So I want to see price trade into this demand area. So instead, price started going all the way to the upside, forming higher high, higher low, higher high, then price broke down. So as price was coming down, it took out this low. I was very interested in buying or sending out this signal to anybody in my group, because at this point it's making sense and a lot of traders are taking it as a change of character to start selling to the downside. No, this is more like price coming to take some liquidity before it goes to its direction. So for price to move, it has to take money before it moves. It's just very simple. Take liquidity before it moves. So a lot of traders use this as a chalk, as a change of character. So I was just waiting patiently. Price came into this region, tapped into this demand. There was a zone, okay? Price just tapped into it. I scaled down to the 15 minutes time frame. So the first tap on the demand area was very simple, all right, because price came almost close to it and failed to tap into it. So price engineered liquidity here. So I was just very happy looking at the trade. I took this trade personally. I don't think I sent it out. So price came, takes out those lows. You can see this low form, all of this liquidity form. People are using this area as their trend line and stuff, looking for a break, retest, or whatever it is, and people are looking to buy. After buying, they got taken out and break off the trend line. They want to still sell on the retest and they sold. And a lot of smart money concept traders are already present in this market. Price took liquidity, tapped into it, formed a low. So price started giving us this bearish intent to the downside, right? Then formed this low, lower low. Then what happened? Change of character. Immediately it tapped into this zone. It's changed character on the 15 minutes time frame. So looking at it here, it's just very simple and clean. Okay, it does not need to have a high knowledge for you to understand this concept. If you look here, price took out this low, right? Immediately price took out this low, it changed character to the upside. So at this point, sorry, let me change this color. At this point, I was very interested in buying the market, and price broke structure to the upside, just like this. So from this demand, which is around here, I was very interested in taking this trade just from this demand. Okay, but I noticed that on the 30 minutes time frame, the demand was around there. It also covered the fair value gap, so it made a better entry for me instead. So price broke above during, this was around 2 p.m. around that New York session. So price just came, tapped into it nicely, and stop loss was just below this low, which you can actually see here. Stop loss was just below this low, and price just flew all the way to the upside. One thing about US30 is that when you take a trade on it, like when you take a very perfect trade on it, it runs nicely with no retracement. I'm telling you the truth. As you can see here, this is just a good example. Price can just tag you in and just continue buying to the upside and never stops from there until the market session gets over. So if you look at, this was a perfect trade. But this week now, I'm just looking at the XY again. It's the following week, the same thing happened. Price even came, took out the previous low, changed character around here, and around here now was where I was still interested to buy, but price did not tag me in based on the way I had my analysis. So right here, break of structure, right, break of structure, and price continues selling all the way to the downside, giving us that lower low, lower high, lower low. Then price changed character around here, and a lot of smart money concept traders as well, which sets who are going to just set their limit around this zone. Okay, sorry, let me refine this correctly. Okay, so a lot of them capitalized on this trade, on this buy again. So this is just how simple trading can be if you understand smart money concept and liquidity. You just need to look out for your structures on the daily time frame, look out for liquidity before it, and look out for change of character on your higher time frame zone. So these trades are very simple to take. You can see how this trade later went all the way to the upside. Reason why is because you started from the higher time frame and you'll be targeting the higher time frame highs. Okay, so it's just very simple. So this week on the DXY, let's go back to the daily time frame. This week on the DXY, this is just how it looks. I'm looking at a very simple price action on the DXY. I want to see the DXY come into this demand area, take out that low, then change character to the upside. If the DXY can actually come into this daily demand, which is resting here, right? If DXY can actually come here, take out this low, if it takes it out on the 15 minutes, get a change of character, I will buy to the upside to take this entire highs out. It's just very simple. This is just how I'm saying it on the US30. There's nothing to start looking for, start getting inside this range for. Just avoid it. Don't start looking for short-term sales. Overall, we are bullish, and follow only buys only, follow only buys, and that's just how you can do it. See you guys on the next video. Bye.